All Microsoft Office files have properties, and you might want to customize the properties for your files. For example, if I click on File in the ribbon, and then I go over to Properties on this far right hand side, I can choose Advanced Properties. I can then go to Summary at the top and add some properties to this file. The title might be Excel Stage 3 File. The subject might be Exercise File. The author, Cathi Barker. The manager, Cathi Barker. The company, Software Solutions. When I click OK, I can then see the properties listed here, and I can add further properties if I wish. I can also show all properties by clicking this option here, such as the size of the file, when it was last modified, and the date that this file was created. Ooh, that's a bit scary.